Welcome. Today we are going to see how to make garlic curry. Heat a pan. Pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heated, add 25 to 30 shallots. Saute it until the onions are turned to golden brown. Add 1½ tablespoon of curry masal powder. Add 1/4 cup of coconut chunks. Saute it for 2 minutes, and turn off the flame. Now cool down for few minutes and grind it nicely. Keep this mixture aside. Now heat a fry pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add mustard seeds. Once the seeds are pop and crackled, add ½ teaspoon of Hing powder, ½ teaspoon of Fenugreek powder. Now add lengthwise sliced onion. One sprig of curry leaves. 1 red chilli. 200 grams of garlic. Saute it. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of turmeric powder. Saute it well. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes are cooked well. Now add tamarind extract already we made. Then add some amount of water. Close the pan and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add onion coconut paste. Then mix it. Pour water as per your consistency. Now cook this for 10 minutes. Now the garlic curry is ready. Please try this at your home, share with your friends, subscribe our channel, comment and like the video. Thanks for watching.